which we say being carefree. Now, being carefree in the journey of meditation or mindfulness is different from being carefree with reference to the world outside. In the world outside, whatever the mind likes, whatever is present before you at a particular moment. Then your mind says, I'm carefree. Who cares? Reference point is the world outside. But in the journey of any meditation or mindfulness, when we say carefree, we should become aware of the thought. Our great master Aurobindo says beautifully that look at these thoughts in the state of steadiness. All these thoughts come from outside. We did not learn English in the womb of a mother. We were born, our parents, the society, and the school have educated this language. Language, words are thoughts. So, in one way, we understand that all these thoughts come from outside. But the way we frame these thoughts is unique to every individual. One person says, I feel the sensation. Second person says the same experience, no, I have anxiety. Some people say different things. So expression is unique. So now what is we are going to do? Do nothing. Watch, feel, become aware of the thoughts entering into the mind. It stays, it leaves you, it repeats itself. Very good. Let it happen. So our master says, do you think you are a thought or you are separate from the thoughts? So when we are aware, we discover that we are different from the thoughts in the same mind. No, no, explain me. Huh? A real seeker asks, explain me. So you see that one mind that steps back from all the thoughts happening in the mind. How? The way you are standing across a road watching the traffic. In the same way, when you see the birds are flying and the sky is about no change in the sky, our master says that there is a deeper mind which cannot be disturbed. The way the deep inside water in an ocean is remains calm, but you feel the turbulence in the form of waves on the surface. That is the meaning of being carefree. Do what you do nothing. No, no, but still you do. So if you say that you do something, it is a knowledge practice. Means you know the sky is not blue, but still it appears blue. So what appears blue is a thought, and the knowledge that is happening in the mind in the field of awareness makes you carefree. That is the way we should understand. And then it is very easy to follow any meditation if you make the mind subtle. So, with the understanding, we can do that step. So, you see what is subtle mind. Through the eyes, I look at you and you look at me. That is a physical mind. But we also say, do you look at the body, entire body? Two eyes cannot look at the entire body. So there is a sense of feeling. Is that mind, even though it is a physical mind, is it the same mind that looks the physical object outside? No, it is different. So when you look at the breath, can we say it is the subtler mind, the subtle mind that is looking at the breath? Oh, yes. And when we see the thoughts moving in and out of the mind, can we say it is the subtler mind? See, we are not putting any belief, dogma, cult, religion, faith at all. We are playing with the mind the way the mind plays with us and causes the anxiety and the suffering. So, what will be the subtlest mind? What is behind all these thoughts? Nothingness. That is what the Buddha is talking about. Look at it. Oh, I can reach here and now. I can reach here and now. Let us see. Can we reach here and now by this step?